my sunflower house. It's growing so big. Ooh, look at these. They're so nice. Let me show you the sunflower that's about to open. There it is. I'm so excited. I am. Here's another one that's about to open. Lovely. This is the tallest one. Let me show you how tall he is. Look at that.